are you guys going?
Yeah, I love you, Sonic.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year. And life just keeps going. See?
Yep.
Is anyone experiencing the holiday hangover? Look at this. This is...
You're one hot hangover lady.
I woke up like this. Alright, just making breakfast for Shaylee. She wanted fruit with cottage cheese. Oh, she wanted a banana in it. I have blueberries, strawberries, and this time she wanted banana. So here's her bananas, her blueberries, and her strawberries with cottage cheese. Don't you think the day after Christmas is just weird? It feels weird. It's like you don't know what to do. You know you want to clean up some of the mess if you have any left over. You're like, this whole week till New Year's, you just feel like you're in limbo. It's like, what do I do with myself? The kids have plenty to do. They play with their toys. But this is just, I feel like I'm in limbo. Anybody else get what I'm talking about? Let's see how this day unfolds, shall we? Okay, I just made lunch for the kids. We made some BLTs. Look how good that is. They're having it with apples. Oh my gosh. That is heaven right there. Okay, I got prettied and we have escaped the house. We have escaped. Escape. Funny, sounds like escape.
It's, yep.
We escaped. We are on our way to Walmart just to pick up a couple of things and post office to pick up the rest of your guys' Christmas cards. Yeah, so we're just running away for a little bit and then we'll come home and get some stuff done. We have a lot to do in the next little while. Derek and I have some major goals for us and I'm gonna be talking about them soon, so stay tuned, but we've got a lot to do. We're feeling a little overwhelmed at the moment, but that's okay. The thing is we're looking at the finish line and we need to look at the first.
You gotta define the finish line.
Oh no, so big things coming 2018. Things we wanna do.
Places we wanna be.
People we wanna say.
And meet.
Yep. Come join our day with us. Now we're entering our favorite place ever! Costco!
Please, take my money.
We enjoy, oh that is bright. We enjoy Costco.
My pants came untucked. Did my shirt go through the dryer? Because I think it shrunk.
Wasn't me. It could have been me. I have a habit of shrinking.
I don't have my wallet. You got yours?
Yes. Where's your wallet?
I left it in the van.
Okay, I got my wallet. I got you covered, babe.
Get your card out.
Can you get a card?
Holy.
That's a good sign. Look at all that. You gotta walk all the way down there. Look at that. Whew. Catch your breath, babe.
Ooh, look at all the Merces.
You guys, this is that smoked turkey that we had on Christmas Day that my in-laws brought right here at Costco. So good, fully cooked. It was worth the $30. It was just absolutely delicious. Guess how much we spent at Costco?
Ridiculous. 1817. Ridiculous.
$18, you guys. What?
Under 20 bucks.
What?
First time for everything.
What?
Seatbelt, young lady.
You too.
Mine's on.
Wow.
Nice try.
All right. We are done with our errands. We're going. Hey, get back here.
Going for a ride.
Where are you guys going? Where are you guys going? Hey, hey. All right, we are done and we're gonna head home. Okay, time to make dinner. And right now it's still December. It's January for you right now. But right now it's December and I got my last box of HelloFresh for the year and I'm not gonna be getting any entering into the new year. I know you guys know about HelloFresh. A lot of you do, but a lot of you don't. So it comes delivered to your doorstep. Everything is cold and everything is fresh. Their meals are balanced with the right amount of vegetables, protein, and healthy carbs. My kids love HelloFresh. There hasn't been a meal that they have tried that they haven't liked. They have loved it, no joke. And one of the cool things is you get to try recipes you probably never have tried before, or combinations you would never have put together. So that is really neat. It gives you some really cool ideas that you can try, and you get the recipe card with step-and-step instructions so you can make the recipe again on your own on a different day. We have been having it for the last 4 months, and it has been perfect with our busy schedule that's been happening. I do work from home. I am a stay-at-home mom, but I'm a work-at-home mom. And so I have a lot that I do behind the scenes here that you don't see, so I'm a busy lady, the same as all of you. We have busy schedules. So this year I'm actually gonna be trying to have groceries delivered to me or order from the stores and go and pick them up. That is a goal of mine this year, and I don't like spending the time in the grocery store anymore. It used to be like a fun, relaxing thing for me, getting away, going to the store. I don't like going anymore. I just wanna go and get my errands done and come back. So it's really neat that HelloFresh, the food gets delivered to your door. I don't need to go to the store. So if you're thinking of cutting at least a few steps in your to-dos a week, think about it. And HelloFresh has been perfect for me and my family these last 4 months. I've had them deliver certain weeks of the month where I know it's gonna be crazy and I don't have time to shop. I am so glad that I had the opportunity to share HelloFresh with you guys. But give it a try. See if you can fit it into your schedule, into your family life. So what I have done is I paused my account with them, and I can pick it back up at any time. But now it's the new year, and I am back on to my freezer meals and harder meal prep. If you want to try HelloFresh and see if it works out for you, you can get $30 off your first order. Just use the code APRON30. So go over to HelloFresh.com and use APRON30.
Okay, I'm all done running my errands. I went to the post office, and the winners of the planners, your boxes are on their way. Congratulations to Wendy and Penny. Woohoo! There's also a little surprise in the box for you.
Okay, I just ran to the grocery store really quick to get some things for the kids for lunches for the new year and just stock on some stuff. So I grabbed some soup bowls for the turkey soup that I'm going to be making, and the eggs. We run through eggs like crazy. This is 5 dozen medium eggs. I love my Market's tortilla chips, and I got some of their fresh salsa to go with it. Yum. Some jelly. Boston really wanted some Concord grape jelly. More ham for sandwiches. Strawberries, salted butter. Derek loves these. He says these are good, so I'm gonna try them on the kids and see how they like them in their lunches. Bag of apples, some juice boxes, some onions, 3 bags of chips for their lunches, whipped topping, and the cottage cheese for an orange salad for dinner this week. Sour cream. Oh my gosh, this Lighthouse Homestyle Ranch is so good to dip your veggies in. Oh, and then I grabbed some cucumbers. I already have a lettuce in the fridge. Cucumbers and green peppers and 2 loaves of bread, and then I'll make homemade bread after the new year when we get going. So this is just my quick grocery haul. Good morning. I thought I would make some breakfast with the leftover potato spears from last night's dinner. So I'm heating up a skillet right now with some olive oil, and I'm going to drop in basically all of this at the same time because these are cold and they're going to take just a little bit, not too long. And I want my veggies soft but yet a little firm, so I think I'll do them together. And then right when I'm like about to serve, I'll hit it with some garlic and some fresh herbs. I'm going to also add about a tablespoon of butter in there as well. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of salt for those potatoes and some pepper. Okay, I added my tarragon and thyme and some garlic. And now I'm just going to mix this all together. And I think I'm going to add just a little more butter to help those potatoes. And we still have all that rosemary from last night putting on them. You can smell it. It smells really good. And there we go, breakfast. Lost Coke and Dirty Coke for a long time, my friends. I love you, Sonic. I'll never let go. Did you make this?
Uh-huh.
Is this your Instant Pot?
Yes, it sure is.
Denise got an Instant Pot.
Yes, I did. You're gonna love it in an instant.
She made a Jimmy Dean sausage dip. It's really good.
So that was the bump. Oh, why? Why, Kimmy, didn't you share?
His movies are always...
Okay, Derek went to Sonic to grab me one. And he said, thank goodness I tasted it, Kimmy, because I don't like it when he takes the first sip.
Yeah.
He said it was Dr. Pepper.
You would have died.
I would have done.
Studio C.
So we're with friends tonight, and we are eating Navajo tacos.
So my sister figured this out. My sister's a really good cook.
That's your butter in your other?
She's making honey butter with marshmallow cream. I'm like, what?
And honey.
So there's no butter.
No, she put butter. I saw butter in there.
Butter, she started with butter in the bottom.
Yeah. So butter, marshmallow cream, and then the honey. I never knew. I thought you wanted this
Try
like
that
a
right
fruit
now.
dip.
My kids would just eat it.
Yeah, that is so good.
That right there's good, yeah.
You just dip your...
Go,
dip
yeah.
your-
Oh, scone. Rub that on your
that's what
scone.
we're doing. That's what we're doing. So we're gonna add a little honey.
Ready? Tell me how much you think you need.
That's probably good. Let's just see.
I never knew. What you making there, Dinas?
This is called garlic bubble ring. It's just basically monkey bread.
So what you got?
So you take butter and margarine, 1 egg, what else? Parmesan cheese,
Oh, there's an egg in there.
garlic powder, yeah, and salt and parsley. And then you just throw it all in, and oh my gosh,
I can't
this is so
wait.
good.
Oh my god. We're eating good tonight, girl.
Heck yeah. Smell.
That smells insane.
Oh.
Look at those trucks.
Garlic and parmesan with a little egg, it's all good.
Ooh, Navajo tacos. We are making everybody Ebo Skeeblers for dessert.
And what time is it?
It is 11:24
For dessert.
for dessert.
The problem is you got
Your dessert doesn't come up until midnight, right?
That's right.
That's right.
I can't even talk.
Gotta keep turning them so they form into balls. You definitely can't look away from when you're making these. Derek's found the rhythm. He's seriously like so quiet, you guys. Derek, he's in the zone.
It's amazing.
He's in the
These look so good. Do the math and find out where the bullet ended up.
How many seconds, Becky?
Oh my
How
God.
many? Do we know? It's coming. Derek!
I don't know.
I'm in the zen. I don't know how I can.
Derek, come back to me!
I'm gonna burn them. It's gonna change.
Yeah, you don't want to go into the new year of failure.
Oh, mine's so sweet.
Ah! Happy New Year! Woohoo! And life just keeps going. See?
Yep.
How do you ring in the new year? That's how Derek's doing it.
Starting it off right with good food.
Oh, yum. So we have the Evil Skeeblers, we have powdered sugar, pancake syrup, chocolate, drizzle, strawberry topping, some raspberry. So.
So yummy.
Happy New Year, Thanks so much for joining us today, you guys. Really appreciate it. And I'd like to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm excited for 2018 with you all.
Toodles.